Hey guys, welcome to my another video. So today we will make a QR code generator. So this is how it is. We'll put a URL and we will get a QR code. So let's begin. So we basically will have two files. One is HTML and one is CSS. And I have added basic boilerplate and linked the CSS file. And the title we have given as QR code generator. Now we'll create a div with class container, and inside this we'll create one para and input. Okay, so we have kept the placeholder enter your URL. So let's change the para to QR code generator. Okay, also we will add one ID to our input. So we'll create one div where the QR code will generate, and a button. After clicking that, the QR will generate. Okay, so after just doing our HTML part, this is how our website is looking. So let's go and do our styling also. So as background, we will use our background image which is there inside our file. This is the background image we are using. Display flex and justify content center we are using to bring the container at the center. The background of the container we will keep whitish and width will be 500 pixel. We'll give some border radius and padding also. Position will be absolute, and from top we will give 30%, and from left we will give around 35%. This will bring the container box at the center of the screen, and I'll also give a border of 5 pixels solid. This is how our screen is looking. So now we will style our paragraph. We'll give a font width around 900 and we'll keep our font size around 30 pixel. And color we will keep it black only. Margin bottom we will give, and this is how it is looking. We are styling our input field now. Okay, here what happened, the styling is applied to the button. We need to apply to the input. So it will be container input. Now we will apply styling for our button. This is how the button is looking now. So let's jump to our JS part. So below the closing body tag, we'll add the script tag, and between the script tag we will add our JavaScript. We have added the variables QR code box, where we are calling document.getElementById, and we'll copy the ID of the code box, that is this one, okay, and paste it here. So inside the div QR code box, we will add one image, but the source will be empty because we don't have any image currently. We'll take the ID and put it in a variable, and next variable we will create IP text. Okay, to get the QR code, now we need one API. Okay, this is the link to that API. I will also provide this link in the description below. And to get the QR, we need this link, this one. Okay, so I'm copying this link. And after pasting it, we're getting one QR code. And if we change this extension, this example to, and give any other thing, for example google.com, a new QR code will generate like this. So now we will create one function named generate QR code, where we will write our code for generating the QR. So first we will copy the variable QR image and target the source. And in the source we will actually paste the URL which we copied from the API. At the end of this URL we will need the value of the input text. We want the QR code to generate whenever we will click the button. So we will create an on click and call the function. So this is how it is generating. Every time we'll give a new input, a new QR code will generate. Now let's add some styling to the QR code box div. So let's copy the ID and we'll give a background color yellow. Now we'll copy the same ID, that is QR code box, and add one class show QR, and we'll add some styling to it. We will give max height around 300 pixels, margin will give 10 pixel auto, border we will give around 1 pixel, solid black. So what we will do with this class, right? So whenever we will click the button, so this function will run and this class will be added to this div, and hence the styling added to this class will be applied. Okay, why it is not getting applied? Let's see. Let's go to CSS file. Okay, we are missing the hashtag. Now it is applied. This is how it is looking now. Let's apply some styling for the image also. We'll give some padding around the QR code with a width of 100%. When we are giving some input, then the QR code is coming like this. But when you're not giving any input, a yellow bar is coming. So we need to remove it. So whenever the input is there, that means whenever the input value length is more than 0, then only this code is applied, or else it should not show anything. perfectly working. No input, nothing is coming. Let us use a shake animation when the user doesn't put any input. So we are creating one error class and using animation shake for 0.1 second, linear 10 second, and then we will add the keyframes. We'll add this class in the else part when the user doesn't put any input. We will also remove the class after 1 millisecond. For that we will use set interval. We are using this set interval because we want the animation to happen for a few seconds and then stop the animation. Okay. So this is our final website, guys. Whenever we will put any input, it will generate a QR code for you. Please do try. Thank you for watching this video below. To the end. Do like, share and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in next video. Bye.